Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp on your iPhone. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is open WhatsApp. So go to WhatsApp and then we go to settings. Scroll down and when you see privacy, click that and then go all the way down to the bottom and it says screen lock. So press screen lock and it opens the next page. So it says when enabled you need to use Face ID or Finger ID to unlock WhatsApp. You still can reply to messages from notifications and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So you can press this on and now it requires Face ID to open WhatsApp.